welcome back to German Brew. Today again our Acerglyn, our Blackberry Acerglyn again. Why again? Because I tried this video the third time. 2 times I have a broken auto siphon. I have a new one and now we can start again. This mead we start on the 31st of March and now we have the 1st of June. Okay, for this we use 670 gram blossom honey, 250 milliliter maple syrup, black tea and 200 gram blackberries. We have a start gravity of 1.110 and that sounds good. We see what we have today. So I just fast cleaned my hydrometer. So let's start. We already have it here. I need to be a little bit careful. Here is the yeast and the rest of the blackberries not so solid. I will show you a little bit now the inside. It's clear, it's fast cleared. I was really surprised. I hope it's completely done and maybe dry. So the blackberries are completely white. We'll show it you for a moment and then we can open here. Okay, this video was from the last time. So, okay. So just put it up here. The problem with the we have a lot of waste, I think. I prepared 3 bottles. 3 big and 1 small, so I prepare 4 bottles, but I just count the big one. This is just for emergency and normally just when the 3-liter fermenter is really full, but here we have a lot of waste because of the blackberries. And so let's see. We will start. This is my new auto siphon. There is still a little bit water inside, hot water, between 2. Normally when I make bottling with a lot of bottling one day, I just clean it once with sanitizer and then with hot water the rest between the brews. So we just start. The color is great. A little bit reddish, but more golden, copper gold. I don't know. Difficult to explain. Tell me what the color is. I will show you at the end. We are completely dry. I can say it now already. I never had it so dry. Okay, that's nice. We will see in a moment. That's high potential. I didn't know what yeast we used. I think we used a table wine yeast or? Okay, yes, we completely dry. 0.990 or 992. It's 992. It's completely dry. So it's the first time it's completely dry. Normally I have 1.00. This time really under 1.00. Let's calculate fast the alcohol. So we're talking about 16% alcohol. That's really nice. I will not close this. I will just give me a little bit for trying. That must be enough, and the rest. So I have almost a bottle. Here I have a lot of things inside. It's not a problem. It's just some. So it's not completely clear. I promise you to show you the color. This is the color I'm talking about. So I don't know what color it is, but it looks amazing. So okay, we have now the 3 bottles. We have our sampling. Whoa. Okay, the first thing you get is alcohol. Don't smell like young alcohol. It's just get, here's alcohol. Has something about a whiskey. Even just when it's just 16%, you can smell the alcohol really well. No blackberries, but a little bit honey in the back. So I think now I have a really dry mead. Normally I like dry, so maybe Let's try. That's dry, and you really can taste the alcohol. Oh, just 16%. I don't know why the alcohol is so potential. It's difficult to say. You have a little bit honey. You have honey, you have some herbal flavors from the maple syrup, but I try to get the fruitiness. Has also a little bit fruitiness in the dryness. Completely dry. But I like it. I think I like that it's so dry. What I'm a little bit sad about is that there is not so much blackberry flavor in it. In the smell, nothing. In the taste, just a little bit fruitiness, like berries, but you cannot say it's blackberries. Okay, it just was 200 gram. It's really more in the direction you drink it alone. It's nothing you drink with something to eat or as a dessert wine. You're sitting in the evening, maybe a little bit warm summer evening, on your balcony or terrace or in the garden, at a fire, and drink some nice mead, Acerglyn with a friend. Something more like this is it. Nothing you drink alone, like whiskey you also don't drink normally alone, or I don't drink whiskey alone. It goes more in this direction. It has some flavors, and flavors I like, yes. But I also think it's not Acerglyn is not something you can give to everyone. If you're a beginner in mead, don't give it to him. If it's some experienced whiskey drinker and he said, no, mead is too sweet for me, this is the right thing for him or her. So, yes. It's good, but it also could have more viscosity. We put black tea, so the tannin is there. Maybe this is one you can also put in oak after you already make it. I think some vanilla flavor from oaking will be nice. So maybe I will not, I keep it like this for a while and thinking about to put it back in a fermenter together with some oak. It's 16%. I never don't be worried about that there is with oxygen the chance to make vinegar. It's far away. No vinegar bacteria can live inside this. It's nice. But something is missing. Maybe the oaking. But the color is also nice. Okay, I drink everything. Okay, if you like this video, here are 2 more, and of course if you like this video really, thumbs up, so I know that you like the video and YouTube know you like the video and show it to more people. Also, if you don't have, subscribe to this channel. I try to get every week 1 video. The last weeks it was a little bit difficult, but the next time. it will be possible. So we see you the next time. Bye.